I think that Gerald Rosenberg's The Hollow Hope is a good example of a book that's made a big splash, drawn lots of attention, which I think calls attention to its relevance. I think that the book did all of us something of a service by questioning, I think, assumptions that are deeply rooted in our culture, certainly in our legal culture, about the efficacy and the impact of courts, and in particular the U.S. Supreme Court. What the book does is question whether landmark decisions really had the transformative impact that many people have alleged, or at least many more people probably assume. As somebody who grew up in the 1950s and 1960s, certainly as a young person, I thought of the court as a major engine of social change, for better or worse. And it took me a long time to really come to interrogate that assumption, and Jerry Rosenberg did us all a service in that regard. I don't think that's the end of the question. I think that the real service is that it opens up a whole variety of other more interesting questions, or not necessarily more interesting, but different kinds of questions about the role of courts, how court decisions, and in particular how litigation, the process of litigation, figures into struggles for changing social policy and changing social relations.